Let me start with the premise that every human is mindful. To a certain degree, the psychological construct of mindfulness has been around for over 2,500 years. So stay tuned as I unpack mindfulness and leave you with a lot more than just a definition. Welcome to the human experience, the one and only. What makes us human? Where I drop knowledge on human performance optimization.
It's time to discover what makes us humans.
I'm your host, Dr. Dyke.
It's time to discover what makes us humans.
Mindfulness is an inherent human capacity, mainly because of the large prefrontal cortex. This particular region of the brain is responsible for executive function, higher order cognition, such as planning, decision-making, problem-solving, and self-reflection. For contextual purposes, place an open hand across your forehead and take a look at the physical space that your palm covers. The prefrontal cortex implicates a sizable portion of neuronal real estate. A key takeaway is that cognition plus action equals performance. Question is, how do we cultivate awareness within our mind to generate performance? The practice of mindfulness involves self-regulation of attentional resources to bring conscious awareness to the human experience. This form of awareness is utilized to modulate the physiological state, which includes your physical, cognitive, and emotional energy. Remember, as a human, you're a performer, and energy is required for productivity, equanimity, and vitality. Two subcomponents of mindfulness, trait and state. Trait mindfulness is your propensity to be mindful, and this is referred to as your general cognitive mode, whereas state mindfulness refers to the here and now. Application-based practices include formal and informal meditation sessions, mindful movement sequences, and setting daily intentions. Mindfulness is characterized by different facets: observation, description, awareness, non-judgment, and non-reactivity. Next time, I'll explore the 5 facets of mindfulness in greater detail. Please share my content with your network and subscribe to learn more about human performance optimization. As a human, you're a performer. Thank you for joining the mission.